If you want to send money, using the Kyodai app, this video is for you because, honestly, Kyodai has become a popular option for international money. Transfers especially for people sending money to family and friends abroad. And the good news is the process is very simple. First download and open the Kyodai app, then sign into your account or create one. If you're a new user, once you're inside the app, select Send Money Next. Choose the country where you want to send the money and enter the amount. The app will show you the exchange rate, transfer fees, and the amount your recipient will receive. Now add your recipient's information depending on the destination. You may be able to send money to a bank account, a mobile wallet, or for cash pickup at participating locations. Carefully review all the details, especially the recipient information, before continuing. Then choose your payment method and confirm the transaction. Once the transfer is completed, you will receive a confirmation and tracking information that you can use to monitor the status of the transfer. Most transfers are processed quickly, although delivery times may vary depending on the destination country and payout method selected. So to summarize, open the Kyodai app, select Send Money, choose the destination country, add the recipient, enter the amount, review the fees and exchange rate, and confirm the transfer, because honestly, sending money internationally with Kyodai can be done in just a few minutes directly from your phone.